Zoning meditation is different from all the techniques that we've seen so far. It's very simple. Strange at first, I must admit, but I invite you to give it a try without jumping to conclusions. Zoning meditation will help you to completely clear your mind and sometimes experience things that you wouldn't with basic meditation. We will start by centering ourselves, and then we will listen to a sound for 5 minutes. As this is a part of the challenge, we won't go more than 5 minutes, as you will need to get used to the practice, but later on, you can extend to as long as you want to. I recommend you to use headphones for a complete immersion. So let's find a comfortable position where your spine is straight, your back is nice and tall, and your chest can expand freely. And you can rest your hands wherever it feels comfortable. Now I want you to tune in with your breathing. As you breathe in, allow your abdomen to rise, and as you breathe out, let it fall. Focus all your attention on your breathing. That's right. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Observing the air coming in and out of your body. Feeling the rise and fall of your chest. Don't try to control your breathing, just simply observe. And let your heartbeat slow down naturally. You will now hear a binaural sound that I have created to reach your conscious and quiet your mind and bring you to a calm state and complete inner peace. So don't worry, it's not gonna come out of nowhere. Just let the sound do its trick, and I'll see you at the end of the recording. So let's focus on the sound, and we start now. welcome back. But don't stand up for now. Open your eyes. Tune in with your breathing and your body. How do you feel right now? If you feel like you'd be happy with a nap, that's completely normal. It happens when you try this method for the first time. Others experience complete inner peace, like if you were on a cloud where everything stands still, everything is quiet, and the sensation of being in the complete present moment. And others experience some extra energy and go back running through the day. So take the time you need, and whenever you are ready, you can stand up and enjoy the rest of your day.